Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. This is a useful skill if you want to clean up your chat list and remove conversations you no longer need, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters most. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation panel. This is where all your main features are located. Click on the option labeled Chat. This will take you to your main chat interface where all your conversations are listed. Now that you're viewing your chat list, take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific chat you want to delete. It could be an old project conversation, a one-on-one chat that's no longer relevant, or simply a conversation you want to clear from your list. Once you've found the chat you're looking for, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice 3 dots appear beside the chat name. These dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on them. When you click those 3 dots, a menu will pop up with several options for managing that particular chat. From this menu, look for the option that says Delete and click on it. This is the action that will initiate the deletion process for your selected conversation. After clicking Delete, Microsoft Teams wants to make sure you're certain about this decision, so a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is a safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. The message will typically ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this chat. Simply click Delete again to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, the chat will be permanently removed from your chat list. Keep in mind that deleting a chat removes it from your view, but it doesn't delete it for other participants in the conversation. They'll still be able to access the chat history on their end unless they also choose to delete it from their own view. And that's it. You've successfully removed the chat from your Microsoft Teams interface, giving you a cleaner, more organized chat list. This process works for both one-on-one chats and group conversations, so you can apply this same method whenever you need to declutter your Teams workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.